So we just accidentally found the gluten-free section, which interestingly enough is camouflaged without a sign. It's aisle A10, A11 with soup, stuffing, canned meat and pasta. And as you can see right here, they've got the bronze bread and a good variety of other foods, cake mixes, flours, pancake mixes. Oh wow, like a hamburger helper, chicken helper thing, type thing. They've got the gluten-free tomato soup, and there's that macaroni and cheese. I swear, I can sit and eat the entire thing, no problem. It's just so good. Oops, this one. I haven't tried that one, I have had that one. And then here's your taco mix that is gluten-free, also the gravy. Pasta here, the Jovial brand. Lots of different bread options, crackers. The brownie brittle is really, really good. God, I really like those. Vans is a good brand here. And of course, Udi's, there you go. I've also heard really good things about King Arthur flour, but I'm not seeing it here. But Krusty's has a good variety here. Butito. Lots you can choose from. On the other side of this same aisle, we've got broth, and the majority of broth has gluten in it. They use it as some kind of a thickener. I don't understand why, but almost all of these brands have gluten in them. I know one of them here doesn't. Here we go. The Sam's Choice. Sam's Choice is gluten-free. But all the other brands are not. So that's something people need to be careful about, and that's why the cold cuts, because they're made with broth. So yeah. Anyway, I know I'm beating a dead horse on that. So see all these? Sorry, but guess what? No soup for you. That's just how it goes.